This dyeing and bleaching doesn't exist in developed countries because they don't want to pollute their water. If somebody raises the issues of pollution in Europe or in North America, people will suddenly there will be a knee-jerk reaction from the corporation. Then they'll say, no, we are not sourcing from here, we'll source from Bangladesh, as if everything is fine there. Or they'll say, we'll source it from Vietnam, or we'll source it from China. That attitude is not ethical. Brunt of the impact of the environmental pollution has been faced by the farmers and agricultural communities. Basically, they lost their fertility of their soil, they lost their cattle, they lost their groundwater resources, and ultimately their income has gone down. And within a few years, they lost everything.